Winter crops struggling? You're doing this wrong. If your indoor veggies like spinach and kale aren't looking as plump and vibrant as you'd hope, it might not be your fault. Many gardeners try growing winter crops indoors, but they miss a few key tricks. Often it's the wrong kind of light, the wrong crop choices for the chill, or even containers that trap water and suffocate your roots. When these issues stack up, your plants can end up weak, leggy, or just downright disappointing. Step 1. Proper grow lights. First off, light is everything in winter. With short days and limited sunlight, you need quality LED grow lights that mimic a full spectrum. Aim to give your plants 12 to 16 hours of light each day. That means positioning your lights about 2 to 4 inches above your crops and adjusting them as your plants grow. This constant, consistent light stops your plants from stretching and keeps them compact and strong. Step 2. Choose cold-tolerant crops. Not all vegetables can handle the indoor winter chill. Stick with cold-tolerant crops like spinach and kale. These greens are naturally built for cooler conditions. When given proper care, will thrive indoors, even when it's freezing outside. Plus, they grow fast and are super forgiving for beginners. Step 3. Use breathable pots. If your pots don't allow water to drain and air to reach the roots, you're setting your plants up for failure. I always recommend using breathable pots like terracotta or containers specifically designed for drainage. These pots help prevent root rot and they give your plants room to breathe so they stay healthy and strong. Pro tip: don't forget to rotate your containers every few days if they're on a windowsill. That way every side of your plant gets an equal share of light and they grow evenly. Get your grow lights right, choose the right crops, and use proper containers. Then watch as your indoor garden transforms into a powerhouse of fresh, bountiful greens this winter. Supercharge your harvest and enjoy veggies that truly thrive indoors.